Hey family, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys are having an absolutely wonderful day. And if this is your first time here, I want to extend to you a warm welcome to Miss T's Secret Recipes. Today, I will be making some baby back ribs. So if you have any questions or comments about this recipe, or you just want to tell me how you feel, let me know down below. These are going to be fall off the bone good. Now stay tuned for the recipe. Just gonna grab a butter knife here. Yeah, looks like we can take a little bit more off. Just be gentle with it. Okay, so we have this. I know it looks gross, y'all. We're just gonna peel all of this off. So that way our ribs will be, tender. We don't gotta worry about biting into waxy coating back here. Yeah, yuck. Family, we are ready to season these ribs up. I have a bowl of my dry seasonings here, and you can look down in the description box for everything that's in here. But basically it's brown sugar, garlic, ancho, chili pepper, smoked paprika, seasoning salt, onion powder, cayenne red pepper. So first thing we're going to do is take some mustard. I have Dijon mustard here. I almost forgot. We're going to poke the back of our ribs here. And we're going to do a dry rub on both sides. So slather this mustard all over here. You really don't need a lot, just enough to cover. Just like so. Same deal on this side. Same deal. Okay, I have some aluminum foil here. Take our beautiful ribs and put them meat side down. Just like so. Want to form a tight seal on these. I'm going to cook these for a couple hours. And I'm going to use a roasting pan. But if you can't find one, or you don't have one, or it won't fit, the oven is ready. You can just use a cookie sheet. So guys, I have my sauce all mixed together here. Put all the ingredients in one bowl. Then I'll have a full description of the ingredients, at the end of the video. But next we'll go ahead and add this to our sauteed onions, and we'll let that simmer for about 15-20 minutes or so on low. So now guys, we're going to take the ribs out of the pan here and let these just sit in the roasting pan, and then we'll cook them for the last 30 minutes. But first we'll give these another good baste. Slather that sauce on real good. So guys, we're gonna baste this one more time.
Far off the bone, good. It's dripping with this bomb sauce, y'all. I hope you guys really enjoy this recipe. If you have any questions or comments about them, please leave them down below. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Peace.